major comeback. Plan to sit back for a major comeback. You thought a nigga was gon' sit back for a major comeback. You thought a nigga was gon' fall off? Ha ha ha, hell no. Hit on what, pipe it up, look at my dad. They done fucked up. We was super late, but they said be
Level 5?
Yeah, on 2 DC 5Ks at a half ohm each.
Half ohm. And on AGMs?
Yeah, 7 full throttle.
Full throttle, yeah. Sounds good, man. I thought this was yours. I was like, dang, you're banging.
Nah, I just wanted to sit in it for a minute and soak up some AC. Yeah.
Mclaren highs, looks good. And the door speakers, too.
Yeah, Mclaren Mids and highs. And, I think the...
What's it tuned to?
36.
Okay.
Dave Martin at what's that?
They built it?
Yeah.
Looks good. Wow.
Aaudio Garage. That's what it's called.
Does that seat go down? I can get a picture. You think?
Oh yeah, the seat goes down. There's if you open the that.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah. I think there's a button too.
That looks good. Appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
What time does it close? You know, 5, 6? What?
Right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah, they close early. It's 4:30.
Yeah, I know. They want everybody out by
5.
Yeah.
Probably because of the way they paid for it.
Yeah. Or they have another.
Yeah. What was your name?
Kody.
Cody? Jacob. I think I've seen you on some videos. I watch YouTube a lot.
No, we met at Glenn Savage's shop. You got an Expedition?
KVT?
Yeah.
It's way louder than it was before, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do 61 sealed now.
Actually, that's the owner right there, that fruit.
Yeah, I remember. Now I do remember him. Yep, from KBT. Yeah, I remember now. Appreciate the demo.
Yeah, dude.
I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all here tomorrow?
Yeah. We'll be here.
Still on the setup. We've seen it.
Yeah, I remember.
discussion. They threw us in the paddy van. Shit, we all said fuck it. Whatever happened, God's plan. I bet you never thought that you would see me go game back and get into 3. You major come back. Before a major come back. We're gonna fall off. Look at my dad. They done fucked up. Launching her back in the back. Not going back. Back on the road. Now we need to relax. Sleeping when I open. No, the strap. And you not. Then you lack. Before a major come back. Come on. Smoking on gas, breathing like 20 bracks. Back to the bando, went back to the.
Man, that's loud. That high is on.
DJ Slow and
My buddy John Strickland.
Okay. What's going on, guys? It's JacobViral as always. I appreciate you guys always watching and being subscribers. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. If y'all have any questions or comments, just feel free to ask below in the comments and I'll get back with you, or I'll hopefully answer it in this video. So today's system, I'm going to go ahead and do a shout out first. The shout out of the day goes to Danny Craig. He said, "Hey man, great video as always. I really appreciate all that you do and I've subscribed to your channel for a long time now. Really appreciate a shout out, and go ahead and check out my channel. I'll be updating it soon with a secret demo build and me and my friend have been working on that involves a steel cage reinforced 4th order bandpass enclosure. Thanks, man." So yeah, man, appreciate you watching, Danny Craig, and thanks everybody else for always watching. There's a daily shout out, Danny Craig. Yeah, man. Alright, so today's system was 4 DC 15s on 2 DC 5Ks at half ohm, with a lot of AGM in the back, as you saw. It's a really loud system for a C-pillar wall, a lot of flex video inside, but I wanted to have 2 topics to discuss today. The first topic was, doesn't seem loud in the video. So a lot of videos don't show justice for how loud our system really is, because maybe it's either tuned too high or the lows maybe even tuned too low, and it's not playing the frequencies on the video capturing basically the flex, or it's not basically the song that they are demoing may not be basically the best optimal song to be playing for their system for the video. So a lot of these videos that happen that I do videos of, it may not be the most optimal song, or the frequency that the box is peaking at may not give you the best response flex wise, or whatever the response is for the system that I'm recording. So I wanted to talk about that. And also, a lot of guys aren't full tilt demoing. So just because it does like a 55 doesn't mean they're demoing a 55. They could be demoing a 152 or 153 on music. They're not going to sit there and turn the knob all the way to the right until it's clipping and blow up their subs. That's why a lot of systems I get demos of, post videos of, these guys don't need to full tilt to get the most out of their system, to show it off. You can show off your system with a dB or 2 less from full tilting. That way you're not going to blow your subs, you're not going to clip, you're not going to have dirty power, and you can demo on and off all day without worrying about blowing your subs. So that's a key thing I wanted to bring up. Not just on demoing, but on a daily driver or just a daily system that you play with and you mess with, you don't need to full tilt the system to enjoy it. You don't have to show yourself off or show off to the public full tilting. At the end of the day, it's all fun, and I understand some guys like to do that. It's nothing wrong with full tilting, but make sure you keep it clean power. Keep an efficient system, clean power, to make it the system last. You don't want your amps or your subs to blow. You don't want your voltage to drop insanely. So if all it is simple is just keep the knob a little down. Don't turn it up all the way. Make sure your gains are set properly, and you shouldn't have any issues. So that's all I got for today, guys. Hope that was a little bit of feedback. But yeah, this system was really awesome. A really loud C-pillar wall. And this is JacobViral out. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, Danny Craig, for being a subscriber. There's your shout out again. And until next time, later, guys.